So on the same day Tanzanians will go to the polls, Ivorians will also be seeking to elect a new president. The election is not as tight as that of Tanzania, but supporters of incumbent President Alassane Outtara believe the undoing might be voter apathy. Rita Tinina reports.
In Ivory Coast, voters collect their cards ahead of Sunday's date with the ballot. At least 6.3 million people are registered to vote in the presidential election later this week. Incumbent President Alassane Outtara is seeking a second term, a decision that did not go down well with some, sparking violence in parts of Ivory Coast. Outtara is seen as a favorite to win the election in a field of 10 presidential contenders. He has been campaigning on the platform of the nation's upbeat economic performance. Ivory Coast, one of the world's top cocoa producers, has in the last few years bounced back economically following decades of political turmoil and civil war. The opposition has raised questions over the credibility of the electoral process, claiming the country is not ready to hold a transparent vote. The country's last election in 2010 ended in violence after then-President Laurent Gbagbo refused to concede defeat, triggering 5 months of chaos which left over 3,000 people dead. Gbagbo is currently facing war crimes charges at the International Criminal Court in The Hague. Supporters of President Alassane Outtara say voter abstention is the only obstacle that will stand in the way of a re-election for the 73-year-old economist. Rita Tinina, KTN News.